Good evening, friends. So here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the small cap company. The company name is Gulshan Polyols Ltd. You can see that the company is dealing in calcium carbonate, one of the largest manufacturer of PCC, ACC, GCC and WGCC in India. Company is also making the starch sugar, a complete integrated set of operation from corn to starch, dextrose and sorbitol. Companies also having on-site plants, sanitizer. GPL has an opportunity to develop new and sustainable business of hand sanitizer. Global presence producing agro-based animal feeds. So these are the companies having business, and you can see about the companies have global presence here in US, in India, in Europe, in Africa, in Australia, Canada, North America, South America, everywhere companies having presence. Very good company, Gulshan Polyols Ltd. You can see about the company's product and services here. Okay, starch, organic, sweetener, nature. So we have seen a lot of things the company is doing. Let's see more financial data of the company. So you can see this is the long-term chart of the company right now. You can see how the company is moving from upward. Then after going very peak, company is doing some consolidation. This is the five-year chart of the company, and then you can see how the company is moving last 1 week, how the company is moving last 6 months. So this is the way you can see the company's information right now here. Okay, after that you can see the delivery of the company. Okay, so first of all, you see the price. Actually company is giving ultimate and good return since last few years. So delivery is not appearing now. You can see the updates. Company is having some announcement here. Corporate action, company is paying dividend consistently. Okay, and after you can see the technical information about here. Company is having some neutral, range bound, positive, strength. But always check with your advisor, technical advisor, before doing any technical analysis. Going to the fundamental here, you can see the company is having consumer goods company, fast moving consumer goods. Okay, and let's see some of the highlights of the financial indicator here. The price 247, market cap is 1152. Okay, EPS is 17.79 and P is 13.81. Industry P is 63.33. Book value per share is 83.5. Price to book value 2.94. Dividend is 0.29. Number of shares subscribed 4.69. Face value 1. Okay, the face value 1 means it's this company, if you multiply with 10, it is 2475 price. The face value 1 means the company is having divided by 10. Now you can see the result of the company here. The company's sales is growing every quarter. You can see how the sales is growing for the company. Okay, and you can also see that in June 2020 company having 120 crore. Now it is more than double, 238 crore in last June 2021. Exponential growth within 1 year. Expenditure also company managed, means you can say overall margin company maintaining very well. EBITDA is also, you can see how company is growing 16 crore to 43 crore. Other incomes company also growing slowly. Interest, one of the positive sign here, the company is reducing their interest every quarter, every year. 3.06 to 3.8 to 1.72 to 0.8. Very good sign, awesome sign for the company. Profit before tax also improving, so 7 crore to 35 crore. Wow. PAT is also growing 5 crore to 26.19. Net profit is also growing from 5.18 to 26.19. Very good sign by the company. You can see the annual result. Wow, what a company, what a dream sales company is growing here. 2.282 crore in 2013, 400 crore in 2015, 600 crore in 2018, 766 crore in 2021. What a company here, what a dream run company is showing. What positive sign, huh? EBITDA is also growing exponentially, 60 crore to 130 crore. Last 1 year company has given ultimate return. and also EBITDA is growing. Other income is also very good managed by the company. Interest, what a company here. In 2019 the interest was 14 crore, now 11 crore, now 6 crore. What a company here. Very good sign by the company. Profit before tax, company is also increasing profit before tax 30 crore to 93 crore. Okay, net profit is also growing 27 crore to 62 crore. Very good sign, good managed by the company. Let's check the ratio here. Return on capital employed, companies right now it is showing flat scenario. Return on equity is showing 6 crore, 6.86, 7.7, 7.69, 6.91, something a flat indicator for the return on equity. Return on capital employed also you can see flat scenario is 9.22. Return on asset is 4.39. But if you check the efficiency ratio and check the EBITDA margin, how companies basically companies margin is also flat, similarly 13.8 to 12.38, 12.7, 11.25. but this year when you see 2021 result, the EBITDA margin will be much higher. EBIT margin similarly also having flat, PAT is also having flat. Book value, one of the positive sign, one of the long-term investor always give a full attention on the book value. So what happened about the margin, what happened about the other things, if company is growing their book value na, it means that you can invest there. Whatever situation in the margin, whatever, but book value should be increased by the company. Yeah? Very good sign, very good sign for the company. Working capital also very flat here. You can see how company 79, 77, 79, no problem at all. Very good company. Now let's check the financial year. Okay, now go into the balance sheet here. You can see what a company shareholding. Oh, wow, what a company, yaar. What a good sign. Every investor want to see this kind of situation. Companies 14.47 was equity capital, then 14.69, then 14.18, and suddenly 14.69, and after that company never dilute their equity capital. What a solid company, yaar. What a solid company. Everybody want to see this kind of situation in the Gulshan Polyols. Reserves, what a company is. Reserves is going exponentially. 100 crore, now it is 300 crore. Very good sign. Every investor want to see this kind of reserves growing. Non-current liability is also decreasing. Wow, what a sign. 92 crore to 27 crore. Very good and positive sign by the company. Current liability is also slowly companies reducing their particular current liability. 169 crore to 130 crore. Very good sign. Non-current asset, you can see how companies basically slowly it is decreasing now, but I think the company will increase it when you check. Click here and you will see, just click on this one and you will see how companies long-term investment nothing, long-term one nothing. Fixed asset is also, actually companies having only one fixed asset column into the non-current asset. In the current asset, how company is growing? See, simply this particular is going slowly in downturn trend, but this year when you see the this year return of this company, you will be surprised. Short-term investment also growing, and no short-term investment. Inventory is growing 52 to 87. Sundry derivatives also basically very flat and downside. Cash and bank, companies having right now cash crunch, but not a problem at all. Okay, very good. And well, there is some hiccups in balance sheet, but it will be recovered in 2021. When you see the 2021 data, you will be purely surprised for this company. Net sales, you can see here, net sales company is growing here. Total income is also growing. Similarly, the expenditure also growing. Interest also basically minus depreciation, and after all, company is creating a PAT is 18, 20 and 21 crore. Cash flow, companies having some negative right now is cash crunch by the company, but no issue at all. Company can manage it in the future. Now let's see the pattern, promoter pattern. You can see 2020, June 2020, promoter was holding how much? 68. See how the promoter is increasing there. 59.27 in 2019 June, 2020 June is 68.2, and after that company is never selling single stock. Who is selling? Selling by non-institution, selling by FII. No problem at all. Company is buying, promoter is buying, no pledge. Very very good sign. Gulshan Holdings Private Limited. Public, you can see IEPF, Investor Education Production Fund, is holding 1.18 position. Very very good sign. Promoter, this is a promoter group here. See, very very good. Board of Directors CK Jain. No mutual fund holding, no outlook, no age report, no scan. There is scan here. High quarterly result, consistently dividend paying. No blank deals. You can see in 2015 July someone bought, Mr. Arun Kumar bought this particular market purchase and then sell. So these things happen. So hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental analysis of Gulshan Polyols Ltd. Always check with your advisor before buying in stock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.